Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Future Trading with Mike, and today is actually 4th of July. So happy 4th of July to everyone. It is Monday morning, almost noon my time. I'm not trading today because of early close or halt in the session. So the market closes early at 12 Central, 1 Eastern. So anyways, today I wanted to do a video because a lot of people out who try to start trading, and the issue at hand is that people who may have money or want to have or have the idea that they want to jump into something else in their life, career-wise maybe, or even part-time, they try to jump into trading. And regardless of what market it is, it doesn't really matter. Whatever equity that they may be trying to trade, it could be commodities, it could be currencies, it could be the stock indexes. It doesn't really matter. It could even be options or forex on different markets to trade. But the question at hand, or the problem at hand, really is why do most traders or people who try to start trading actually end up quitting after blowing their first account? Meaning, because most people, when they first start trading, they actually blow their account pretty quick. And it could be a number of reasons why, but the simple reason and answer to the question is really centered around they just don't know how to trade. They do not know what they're looking at. They haven't spent the time. They rush into just jumping into the idea, I'm going to trade. Oh, trading's easy. I have the money. I put it in. And most times, it's like a lot of people will put a lot of money into a brokerage account, and then all of a sudden they just blow their account. So that's just number one reason why they'll stop trading real quick, is because they watch their capital just go out the window within a matter of seconds sometimes, or with one trading session. It can take one trade and you blow your whole account if you don't know what you're doing, especially if you don't follow, some guidelines, some rules, because, trading is all centered around, you got to have the right psychology. You have to be able to be disciplined. You have to be able to be patient. And there are a lot of people who are rational in thought and don't have the patience. They just do not have the patience to sit there in front of the screen and wait for the setups to happen. So, there's multiple reasons. I just named a few off the top of my head as to why most people that want to start day trading, why do they quit instantaneously? Why do they quit quickly right after blowing their first account? It's because, one, a lot of them try to put money into an account that they may have, and they put a large amount in there, and they trade, say for instance, lot sizes or contract sizes that they should not be trading, especially as a beginner trader without knowing how to trade correctly. You'll blow your account real quick, And then the other side is that is people who don't have as much capital, and they're looking for a quick fix to be able to make money in the market. And then what happens? They blow their capital just as quick. They're trading with money that they really don't have to trade. And so, which means there could be money to pay rent with, money to buy groceries with, money to, but just pay the bills with at the end of the month, and they do not have the money to actually be trading. So they're taking on, that's just the kind of risk that no one wants to take. And that I did definitely frown upon if you're doing something like that, because don't think you're going to be able to take money that you don't have, jump into it immediately, and think you're going to start trading overnight and make some money. That's not how it works, guys. So if you're an individual out there that has, is living check to check, whatever the case is, not being able to put money away, and you're taking money that you actually use monthly to pay your bills with, do not start this game. Do not jump into the world of trading and invest it into the markets, because you will lose your money, because there's a lot that goes with learning how to trade. You just can't do it overnight. Those step-by-step rules to understanding the markets, understanding how the markets work, why they move the way they do, who drives the markets, just tons of things. It could be trading, understanding fundamentals, and if you're a technical analysis trader, you have to be able to understand the technical side to trading as well. So, and coming up with a trading plan, it's just so much, guys, wrapped into trading before you actually get started trading. So, that's primarily the reason why people stop or quickly stop trading. The moment they blow their first account, and most traders, I probably say 90% or more, and that number is probably greater, actually stop trading the first time they blow their account. you know, because they just can't stomach the money that they actually lost. But they have to blame themselves to and hold themselves accountable to some regard, because the fact is that you jumped into something, didn't know where to start or how to start, and you have to gain experience in anything in life. You have to take the time to research it and build upon it. It's just like going out. If you're not a mechanic, can you go out there and work on a car part? Work on a car. There's something wrong with your vehicle, whatever the case is, and you say, okay, well, I need to put a new alternator in. If you've never done that before, are you going to know how to do it? No, unless you take the time to research. Maybe somebody's shown you how to do it, or you trained yourself by watching instructional videos step by step how to do it. It's the same thing in anything else in life. Everything we do in life, we have to learn a step-by-step approach to be able to figure it out. Whether it's you order something offline, and then it comes to your door, and then you have to put it together. You're reading the instructions step by step how to put it together. And some people don't have to do that. Some people are just inclined that way. Most times when I say, for instance, myself, I'm not trying to toot my own horn, but I'm pretty good with my hands. Some people just aren't as good with their hands putting things together, whatever the case is. I can just kind of look at something, and have the components of the parts in front of me and kind of put it together by visually looking at the image, whatever the case is. But not everybody's like that. Everybody has their own skill set in life, whatever the case is. So we're all good at doing different things. What I'm trying to get at, but trading is a different beast. It's a different beast, guys. It's something you really, really have to train yourself. And even as a experienced trader myself, I'm constantly learning each and every single day. Why? Because the market is always evolving. So, just words of advice. If I can give you some tips, if you're out there and you're listening to this video, and maybe you're a subscriber here in the channel, and maybe you're still trying to learn to trade, whatever the case is, you have to learn to trade. Understand that you have to learn to trade, or you will blow your first account. Okay, and I always stress what in my videos, guys, talking about you have to understand and know market structure before you even start to begin to learn to trade, or before you even start trading. Market structure, because market structure is everything. You have to be able to read what's going on. It's like reading a book. What do? We read to understand, right? So we read, we're trying to comprehend what's going on chapter to chapter, from scene to scene. Same thing in trading. We're looking at what's price is doing upon moving, which is price action, forming structure, and we're looking at the market structure. You have to be able to read the market structure. Then you start to formalize a strategy that can work around, based upon market structure and price action, and you start building a trading plan, putting it together, and you stick with the rules that you say, I'm going to stick with these setups here. This is my strategy. When I see the market doing this, or I see price doing this. Okay. So, and then some people incorporate indicators into their trading, whatever the case is. I would always tell people indicators are lagging behind anything else that's going on in the market as far as price movement and price movement. Okay. The only thing that I have added to my chart that you see is cumulative delta, which is a level 2 indicator, which is real time. Okay. So that pretty much is it lets you know the amount of buying and selling in the market, meaning it lets you know the activity, how much selling is going on, what kind of pressure there is in the market, in a sense. So anyways, lets you know the volume, how much buying or selling is going on in the market. So outside of that, that's what I want. That's what the video, what I want to talk about in this video today, guys, to kind of wrap things up, was more so why do people quit trading, and they really haven't spent much time actually trading, meaning they take money, put it to an account, and then but within the next week they've already stopped trading because they don't know how to. And it could be you trading or buying stocks, or trading options, or even trading futures. Regardless of what it is, they may have been turned on by a friend, and the friend may know how to trade, or the friend may have gotten lucky in buying a particular stock, or investing money into the futures market and made a little money, but and they may not have known how to trade themselves. They just got lucky, guys. Sometimes people just get pure luck, have pure luck in doing things. It's like going to the slot machine never done it before, and then you win. Okay, and then what happens? You keep going back to that same machine, which is a trick to that. But you keep going back again and again and again, and then everything you made, you lost. That's what people don't understand. You got to stop while you're ahead sometimes, and I do that. I do that every single day in my trading. You know, I'm not greedy. So, it depends on how the market's moving and what price is doing. You know, if I see that it's not doing much, it's kind of ranging, moving sideways. I don't see too many opportunities. The market is moving real slow, or volume's low. Then I'm just going, hey, if I'm up $300, I'm gonna stop for today. You know, in my mind, mentally, I have a goal as far as the number of ticks that I look to maybe make each and every day, and I leave it like that. I don't try to get over greedy in doing things and then end up losing what I have. So I'm very particular of how I trade each and every day, and very specific in the moves I'm looking for. So these are just some tips, guys, to kind of help you, and words of advice if you're a new trader out there that's looking to start trading, whether it's part-time or jump into it full-time. And, if you're trying to leave a job. But I do recommend put money away into a separate account that you have that you can, put money into, say, I don't know, whatever you make, put X amount of dollars away in that account and build you up a little nest egg to start trading with, maybe a trading savings account, or whatever you want to call it. Put money away so that when the time comes, you'll have that money sitting there to put into your brokerage account, move over to your brokerage account. But in the meantime, be learning the whole time. Keep that job, work it, and slowly learn how to trade. And, do your reading. I have books down in the description portion of this video, guys, you can check out. Lots of books covering topics surrounding, market structure, price action, volume analysis, supply and demand. So, they're all there. So they're good content field books that definitely help me, and I'm sure they would help you in learning how to trade. Builds upon the foundation, gives you the solid building blocks to put you in the right direction of learning how to trade. So you have to start somewhere. It doesn't happen overnight. And I'm going to leave you guys with that. I appreciate everyone who tuned in and watched the video today. This is not going to be a long-winded video. I just want to put that out there because I do see many times, and I've seen many times in the past, people I've actually known and fellow traders or people out there that may have followed my channel, and you get frustrated. I was in the same situation or same seat a lot of you guys are in that are starting out, and I even see it on Discord, guys. I'm not, sometimes I see people, and people have commented and sent me messages saying that I just don't get it. I'm not. It will click. Trust me, I was just as frustrated as many of you guys were. Each and every day in my trading, I tried one thing, it didn't work. I tried something else, it didn't work. It was just because I wasn't seeing it correctly. I wasn't trading and understanding what the market was intentionally trying to do. You have to know what the market is trying to do when you're trading. If you don't, stand down, stand to the sidelines, put your hand in your lap. Do not have your hand on that mouse to where you can accidentally click on anything. So that's the thing about trading, is you have to be able to take the time to understand and learn how to trade correctly. And it is the most frustrating thing. I promise you, many years ago, I was once in the same situation and seat that a lot of you guys who are starting out are have sat in today. And everyone learns at a different pace. Some people will pick this stuff up pretty quick. It took me a while to pick it up because, I jumped into it. I started researching and learning how to trade. I fell for the tactic of learning someone else's strategy, which did not work for me. I'll be up one day or a couple of days and then down. And it's like, I got to find something to where I'm green every single day, making some money every single day. Not like up 1 or 2 days or 3 days, and then I take a big loss that took all my profits away for the last 2 days. I don't want to trade like that. I didn't want to trade like that, so I had to find something that's more solid for me. So trust me, it will click. You just have to be able to understand. And I say this time and time again, learn market structure. I do not know how to emphasize that more than enough. Learn market structure. Learn what the market is trying to do. What's called market intention, what it is trying to accomplish. Understand price action. Understand and be able to read price movements and knowing what it needs to do to be where to get to where it needs to go, pretty much. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out, and I hope everyone appreciate the video and the content in this video that I'm trying to give. It's more so to try to help people and put them in the right direction, and at the same time let you know why people fail in the market. Why do they fail and quit trading shortly after, you know, blowing their first account? They just don't have the money to stomach. I mean, they just don't have, you know, they can't stomach their losses. They can't stomach the kind of money they may have lost. You have smart traders and then you have foolish traders, guys. So like I just said, you have smart traders and you have foolish traders. So I'm gonna leave you guys with that. Take care. I'll see you tomorrow in the live recorded session video that I'll put up tomorrow, but I'll also be on Discord. If you're interested in joining the Discord, guys, the link will be down in the description portion of the video below. So Discord is a community for like-minded traders, fellow like-minded traders, you know, fellow traders out here that may particularly trade the future markets, whatever the case is. It doesn't mean that you trade the ES, the NASDAQ. You can trade any particular market, whatever the case is. But what I am seeing on the Discord community is that more people tend to or seem to be trading the ES, which is the Emini S&P 500 futures more than anything. But hey, it's a community that was created for you guys to converse, to share ideas, thoughts, to ask questions, and hopefully that someone would answer. I don't have the answers to everything, guys. I mean, hey, I'm still learning. I learn each and every day. I just stick with my trading plan, and that's what made me profitable in what I do each and every day in trading. So I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Take care and have a happy 4th.